Just how I like it. Let me see. Oop, down to my, past my butt, which we love. I had to stand on my tippy toes just to properly show y'all, but yes. Okay, y'all, as you can see, I already went ahead and sectioned off my hair to start the Crochet Faux Locs. I really just gave myself plaits. Thank God I didn't have to do the whole cornrow thing because I do not know how to cornrow. And, with crochet, I really feel like doing it like single plaits will help it, give it more of a natural look rather than doing straight backs and just going and crocheting, because then, it's just thick. And only thing thick is that, But yeah, let's just go ahead and get this started. I feel like they're gonna turn out amazing. I left some little baby hairs out. Swoop diddy doop those at the end. I am gonna break it down like the first 2 minutes just to show you my process, how to actually crochet. I'm saying it like I've done this before, but I haven't. So yeah, I'm a beginner. You're probably a beginner if you're watching this. So if I could do it, you got it. So let's do it. So I got some hair from Desire for Hair Official on Instagram, but they sent me over some Crochet Faux Locs. They are on Amazon, so I ordered on Amazon and it came the next day. Comes in packets like this. It's literally a full pack, so enough to cover your whole head, and it is 36 inches. 36. I never had hair this long before, so I'm kind of intrigued on, how it's going to turn out. Hopefully my mic isn't picking up all those, But yeah, okay, so here's one just to give a get. These are going to be fire. Oh, I'm excited! Okay, so here's not one. Here's the whole ordeal. These are going to be fire. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Let me just show you it. That way you can kind of get a close up. They're soft. Has like a good stretch to it. Feels light. Doesn't seem like it'll be like a heavy hairstyle at all. And I'm really excited about this. I am going to go in with Mael Organics hair oil just to prep my hair before I go ahead and put my protective style in. So as you can see, I had to do a little trial run, and I went ahead and put one in on the side. That way I can actually see what I'm doing. I feel like the back of my head is about to be struggle bust, but we're going to figure that out. So I'm just going to go ahead and do another one in the front just to show you guys the process that I went through. So we have our crochet. It has two ends. This is the end of the lock, and this is the beginning of the lock. You'll be able to tell the difference because the beginning of the lock, you're actually able to unravel it, and it will have an kind of like a hook, not a hook, like a loop you could put your fingers in. So once you have that loop, lock it in, lock and load it. You want to go down with it first. So go through your braid. You want it to face down always. Take your, I'm a lefty, so like everything's so backwards for me. Take your crochet, that loop, take it, make sure your thing is closed. I don't know the name of anything, huh? And you just want to pull it through. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold up there. Hold up there. Get off of me. Okay, bam. So you want to pull it through. This is what it looks like when it's looped through. From here, you want to, of course, take this off. So you still have your loop going. With this loop, you want to take your faux lock, and your hair. Take both and go through the loop with it. Bam. And from there, you just want to go ahead and pull. Don't be scared to pull tight. It does not hurt at all. And once that is secure, you want to carefully start to unravel the lock. Do not unravel it all the way. Only unravel, you know, the length of your hair. That way you can wrap around it. Where I usually go? You want to just wrap around and don't forget to unravel. So wrap, unravel, wrap, unravel, wrap, unravel, give me another wrap, unravel, another wrap, all the way until you get to the end. My hair is not as long, so when it comes to closing off the end, it's pretty easy. I mean, these threads are 36 inches. If you got 36 inches, baby, you need to be doing your own hair. So here we are, I'm at the end, and it's still the same thing. I am gonna go back around it one more time, just to secure it and lock it in. So bam. I hope that was like easy to understand. I will do another one because I need to practice, okay? But I think this is definitely gonna be a look. Again, the hair's super soft. It feels like, as you can see, it has like stretch, has bounce. It's cute. It's long, probably the longest I've personally ever had my hair, but I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more, then I'm gonna time lapse it, speed it up, and I'll check in with you guys when I get to the top. Hey y'all, so a whole day later and I am finally to the top. I work from home, so it's been like me working while like I'm just like, how are you today, while I'm working, but making great progress. I've actually only used 3 packs of hair and I'm already at the top of my head, and I have so much left of the 3rd pack, so I really think 3 packs will get the job done. It comes with 6 packs, and before you go out of your way and buy the crochet needle thing, it comes with one of those as well. So if you go to buy this hair, which I definitely highly recommend, no need to go out of your way because they already have the crochet needle. They're super long, 36 inches, so it's down to the back. I don't have pants on, so I don't plan on standing up, but you know, yeah, you get the gist of it. But yeah, I know I kind of just skipped around, but I just wanted to go ahead and get it done and over with. Today is day 2 of me wearing my hair. I actually really love it. It's super lightweight, like it's not heavy at all. Like, you know, it's not stiff, and I love the length. I mean, y'all can't even like really see, but it's giving. Like, hold on, wait. It's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give, you know? So, yeah, I love it. Here, look a little, give you a look at my scalp. You know, here's like the look of the dread. Hold on, let's focus out. Yeah, and it's like super stretchy. It's not stiff. I only used 3 packs of the hair and it came with 6. So see, I feel like when I take my hair out, they're gonna be good for another wear, just because like the stretchiness of it, and it was so easy to apply, and I'm pretty sure it's just as easy to take out. Just wash them and reapply. I don't know. Definitely check out the hair. I'll put it in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I know it's been a really long time since I've done something like this, but I swear I'm back and I'm better, and I'm so much better, and I can't wait to give you guys like a little apartment tour. That's gonna be a video. You know, catching up with me, that's gonna be a video, because it's been a minute. A vibe with me, a hike with me, a Skype with me, a makeup in me. I don't know, you know, we're gonna do a lot. Cook with me, definitely a cook with me. Like, I think that's like something I'm like getting great at. So cook with me, vibe with me, yeah. But thank you guys again so much for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends to follow me. You know, we're trying to get to this like full-time YouTuber, like you know, I'm trying to get there. So yeah, thanks for tuning back in, and you know, thanks for not losing and giving up on your girl. Peace and blessings.